If you want to get better at Black Ops 6, this is going to be the only video for you. So let's get straight into the video. I'm going to be talking about all the 10 things that you want to simply go ahead and consistently maintain in order to be good at the game itself. The first thing you want to do is master the basics. You want to learn all the maps, understand spawns and rotations, and keep your crosshair at head level. You want to also move smart and stay unpredictable, because strong fundamentals equals to more wins. You want to also find the right settings. You want to use a sensitivity you're comfortable with, lower or disable motion blur, turn on tactical sprint, customize your HUD for better visibility, and good settings will get you a better control. Also, you need to definitely improve your aim, practice in the firing range before playing, use aim training tools, focus on smooth, consistent movements, and aim for the head always. As you know, practice makes perfect. You want to also know your weapons, so use weapons that fit your play style, level up guns, and unlock your attachments, and also learn recoil patterns and damage ranges. You want to also learn the movement, so you want to slide cancel, jump shot, drop shot, use cover, and peek smart. You want to have better movement, which is going to be harder to hit. You want to also use equipment and perks wisely. Pick perks that complement your playstyle. Use tactical and lethal equipment to your advantage. You want to also play objectives, not just for kills. Help your team and control the key areas. You want to also watch, learn, and adapt. Watch pro players and learn, review your gameplay, and find mistakes. You can also try communicating and have a better teamwork. And at end, simply go ahead and stay calm and be consistent. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.